As a cat owner, I can attest to the unique qualities that make them such great companions. However, did you know that cats are also revolutionizing digital communication? With their playful personalities and curious nature, cats are helping to drive innovation in the tech industry. From virtual reality headsets and interactive toys to chatbots and social media platforms, cats are helping to bring people together and streamline communication. So, let's see how my cat, who is always up for a new challenge, is helping to push the boundaries of technology. The world of technology is evolving at a rapid pace, and even the most traditional forms of technology are now being enhanced by the introduction of AI. One of the most impressive tech-savvy individuals leading this evolution is a cat named Whiskers. Whiskers has been trained to perform a variety of tasks using AI algorithms, and he is already making a name for himself as a rising star in the tech world. With his cutting-edge skills and determination to push the boundaries of what's possible, Whiskers is undoubtedly one of the most exciting and innovative cats of the moment. In my apartment, we have a feline friend named Luna who has become quite the tech expert. Luna is always fascinated by artificial intelligence and often watches my computer screen intently. One day, she figured out how to control my phone using her paw and even started playing games. It's amazing how much Luna has learned about AI in such a short time. She's teaching us about the potential of AI and its ability to learn and adapt. It just goes to show that AI is not just a buzzword, it's a real force to be reckoned with in the digital era. Have you ever wondered why cats seem to have such an effortless grasp on technology? From playing with toys that are designed to mimic mice to instinctively knowing how to use a smartphone, it's clear that cats have a natural affinity for the digital world. In fact, studies have shown that cats are just as good as humans at navigating complex software and maybe even better. So, it's no surprise that my feline companion has become the future of tech. With her sharp mind, quick reflexes, and innate curiosity, my cat has shown me that the future of technology is in the paws of cats. Meet Whiskers, the feline that's taking the world by storm with their impressive hacking abilities. This cat has a knack for sniffing out security vulnerabilities in systems, much like how a mouse would detect a hole in a wall. With their sharp instincts and quick thinking, Whiskers has become an unstoppable force in the world of cybersecurity, cracking codes that humans have been unable to solve. It's no wonder that this cat is being hailed as a true genius, and it's clear that their talents are making a huge impact in the industry.